Hello! In this video, let's take a look at using SharePoint Search. Now, I'm currently in Amy's SharePoint homepage, and when I click on Search, I'm given some suggestions based on my frequent items and the most recent things I've navigated to. So I'll see a few options for working with content here. I can also specify what I'm searching for by using a keyword. Now, this will show me a couple of relevant and frequently used documents, and it would show sites as well if this keyword was related. But now I can always click down to show more results. This is our new SharePoint search page, which also uses security trends, meaning you will only see results for things you have permission to access. From these results, you can filter so that you'll be able to find exactly what you need. I can filter down to all types if I just want to search people, files, or sites, and filter even further down to specific document types, such as only PowerPoint files, Excel files, and so on. SharePoint Search is just another powerful tool to make sure you have quick access to everything you need in Office 365.